By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to solve and work with quadratic sequences effectively. Are you ready to dive into the world of quadratic sequences? Today, we'll explore the fundamentals and strategies to master this mathematical concept. Let's start with an overview of what quadratic sequences are and how they differ from linear sequences. Understanding their structure is key to solving complex problems. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Next, I'll guide you through step-by-step examples of solving quadratic sequences. We'll cover methods such as finding the nth term formula, identifying common differences, and using graphical representations for clarity. Visual demonstrations will accompany each example to ensure you grasp the concepts with ease. Clear visuals and proper explanations are essential for effective learning. Practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering quadratic sequences. I'll provide tips on practicing different types of problems to strengthen your problem-solving skills. In summary, mastering quadratic sequences requires understanding their formulas, practicing different examples, and applying them confidently in various scenarios. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic.